Hello students, once again welcome to all of you. In previous lecture we have discussed some topic. Now today we are going to discuss the topic payment system and its type and also modern payment system. This is our lecture number 3. So let us start. Payment system. E-payment system is a way of making transaction or paying for goods and services through an electronic medium without the use of check or cash. Electronic payment system can be divided into 4 types: credit card payment system, electronic check system, electronic cash system, and the smart card system. So students, e-commerce site use electronic payment where electronic payment refers to the paperless monetary transaction. Electronic payment has revolutionized the business processing by reducing the paperwork, transaction cost and the labor cost, being user friendly and less time consuming than the manual processing. It helps the business organization to expand its market expansion. Okay. First type is credit card. You all are known as credit card. A credit card is a card that allows you to borrow money against a line of credit, otherwise known as the card credit limit. You use the card to make basic transactions which are then reflected on your bill. The bank pay the merchant and later you pay the bank when you receive your bill. Most credit cards have a credit limit which represents the maximum balance you can on the credit at a point in time. The maximum balance include purchase, balance transfer, cash advances, finance charges and fees, raise your interest rate. Okay. In simple word, students, in simple word, credit card payment using credit card is one of the most common mode of electronic payment. Credit card is small plastic card with a unique number attached with an account. It has also a magnetic strip embedded in it which is used to read credit card through the card reader. When a customer purchases a product through the credit card issuer bank pay on the behalf of the customer and the customer has a certain time period after which he or she can pay the credit card bill. It is usually credit card monthly payment cycle. Okay. Next type is electronic cash. Electronic cash payment system is a complete system for conducting financial transaction on the internet. The electronic cash is a great solution for any website that wants to accept electronic payment for goods or services. Next type is smart card. A smart card is a physical electronic authorization device used to control access to a resource. A smart card is a plastic card with an embedded integrated circuit, that is IC. The plastic card usually conform to physical standard for bank or credit card and is a convenient and acceptable way of carrying the chip. Smart card may contain a microprocessor, random access memory or read-only memory. So students, smart card is a physical electronic authorization device. So next point is modern payment system. First modern payment system is UPI. UPI is a type of interoperable payment system through which any customer holding any bank account can send and receive money through UPI based app. The service allows a user to link more than one bank account on a UPI app on their smartphone to stream easily initiate fund transfer and may collect the request on 24-hour 7-day basis and all 365 days a year. The main advantages of UPI enable users to transfer money without a bank account or IFSC code. All you need is virtual payment address, it means VPA. There are many UPI apps in the market and it is available on both Android or iOS platform. To use the service, one should have a valid bank account and a registered mobile number which is linked to the same bank account. There are no transaction charges for using UPI. Through these, a customer can send and receive money and make the balance inquiries. Second, mobile banking. Mobile banking is referred to the process of carrying out financial transaction or banking transaction through a smartphone. The scope of mobile banking is only expanding with the introduction of many mobile wallet, digital payment app and other services like the UPI. Many banks have their own app and customer can download the same to carry out banking transaction at the click of the bottom. Next is BHIM app. Long form is Bharat Interface for Money app. The BHIM app allows user to make payment using the UPI application. This also work in collaboration with UPI and transaction can be carried out using a VPA. One can link bank account with the BHIM interface easily. It is also possible to link multiple bank account. The BHIM app can be used by anyone who has a mobile number, debit card and a valid bank account. Money can send to different bank accounts, virtual address or to an Aadhaar number. There are also many banks that have collaborated with the NPCI and BHIM to allow customer to use this interface. Okay, so these three are the modern payment system. So students, today our second unit was completed. In next lecture, we have starting the unit 3rd, e-commerce security. Thank you.